Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Taurus. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energies. So we have Bear, Tower, and Heart. So Taurus, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, there are some changes happening today, guys. Maybe in your work situation, there may be sudden changes, something happening, something may go out, maybe there may be people leaving you from work. They would have been really helpful to you, but they are changing the place of work, or maybe they are leaving the job. So you are seeing some impact in the way things are going. These circumstances are impacting you all of a sudden. And maybe for some of you, Taurus, there is someone you trust, someone you rely on. This person is giving you valuable ideas and suggestions, and it may be something helping you today to handle the difficulties you are seeing in your work or some negative circumstances in your relationship. So something is worrying you, and you are asking this person suggestions about what needs to be done or how to handle. For some of you, you are taking their suggestions, guys, but for some of you, this person themselves, they are telling you certain things. Maybe they are truly concerned about you. That may be the reason for their counsel, but you do not like it. You do not like the way they are speaking. You do not like the way they are trying to control your circumstances and make you do things the way they see. So you see it as some kind of a domination, guys, and that is not working well for you. You feel that they are trying to control you and you do not like it. So it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. So with this person, you may feel that they are controlling you, or they may feel this way about you, guys. But you are someone who is a very kind and a very affectionate person, Taurus. And you want to have a very meaningful relationship with this person. Maybe you love them, you have a level of understanding, but certain things they are telling you, it may not be something you like. That may be the reason you are quite confused. You don't know where this relationship is going. So that control, you do not like that control this person has on you, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Ship, guys. So maybe you may have some preconceived ideas about certain things, about this person or about the way things should be in this relationship. But if you just give that up, if you just think out of the box and see things from a different point of view. Everything is going to be much more better in your relationship, guys, because with this card here, I see that you are having a beautiful, meaningful relationship with this person, but there may be something happening, some changes happening in this relationship, something troubling you both. But if you want to overcome that, you must change the way you perceive your circumstances, Taurus. So, for your career situation, we have Garden. So, in your work situation, guys, you are seeing happiness, success, and prosperity. Things are aligning, falling into place. So, whatever was not going well for you, you may see huge changes in those areas in your work situation, guys. So, that is the reading for you all, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for you all, for those who chose this first card. It is Apache Tears. It's a Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation, maybe you have too much sadness in your heart. You are thinking of your past person, your past love. So whatever happened, whatever the circumstances were, and it is simply weighing you down. So today you need to heal from that, guys, heal from that negative situation. So rejection, sadness is a form of a divine blessing, guys. So one day you will be able to see this circumstance with a different set of eyes. So you will have a more clearer vision, the reason why things went in such a way, and what was the benefit or what you achieved with that sadness and rejection you are feeling today. So in your future, you will be able to see what unexpected gifts these stressful, sad times have given you, guys. You will realize that very soon. But with this card, this Crystal Spirit card asks you to keep your heart open, so that you live more fully, more lovingly, and more meaningfully from now onwards, guys. So whatever has happened has happened. So there is no way of changing it, but you can change your present and your future. So goodness is coming your way, happiness is coming your way, and your beautiful destiny is waiting to unfold. All you need to do is clear that negativity you have in yourself, release the past, wash away the old with the tears. Maybe you feel like crying, you just cry it out and release all that sadness and stress you feel. So you no longer need to hold on to these old emotions. That is not going to help you in any way, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says beyond the threshold of fear. So, in your circumstances, guys, you have some kind of a self imposed barrier of fear, something holding you back from moving forward. So, you are in that mindset, you want to take that big leap forward. You no longer want to be controlled by this fear. You no longer want to hold yourself back for this fear, and you no longer want to be the victim. You want to move forward in your life. Maybe in this relationship you have some fears, that is the reason holding you back, holding you from making that big step. But you are moving towards that big step, guys. You need not worry, because you are moving forward towards that, and you are going to feel so happy, free, just like flying, and you are going to feel that freedom, and you can trust in the vision you have, and fear is not going to hinder your vision, and it's not going to obstruct the way you see the truth. So you must give up this fear you have in your circumstance towards something. So that is what is pulling you back, weighing you down, holding you to a particular situation, and you feel that you are bound, and you are no longer you have that energy to move out. But today you have that confidence and courage in your heart to dispel all this fear and move forward in life, guys. So that is what I see. So you are going to be absolutely free, and you are going to have a clear vision what needs to be done in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in this relationship, and there is no more darkness for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.